Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Technology. So for today's video I'll be talking about Ad Blocker. Ad Blocker is an extension in Google Chrome which block ads that's coming through using YouTube or any other site. So let me show you an example. First, let's go Google Chrome, type youtube.com. Using that, click any video that is in front of you. Once you click it, you can tell sometimes there's no ads and sometimes there's ads. So as for this one, see, ads will end in 3 seconds. So all these ads is so annoying that you wish that you can remove it. So for today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way, and you don't have to download much to remove the ads. So first, let's go to a new tab. So using this new tab, put Chrome Web Store. Click the first one. On the top left search bar, put Ad Block. As you can see, there's this one. Add to Ad Block, add to Chrome, add extension. It's gonna add right away. So when you go down, I also use this Ad Block Plus. It's the other extension, but I use it twice, like 2 extensions, because it's more stronger than 1. So after you create it, it's gonna be on that puzzle icon on the right side corner. It's in there, it's hidden because that's the program of Google Chrome these days. So when you click on it, you can pin it. You can put it on the top shelf and you can see it. So now let's go youtube.com again. And as you can tell, look on the right corner on the ad blocker. There's like 3, it's blocking the ads. So basically it's blocking the ads that's coming through YouTube. So you can see this, it's playing. So there's no ads. Keep clicking another video, it's not gonna come ads. If you turn it off, if you wish to turn it off, because some of the website require it, so you can click on it, click the icon, turn it off, and you can do the other one too. Just once. Then when you refresh it, the ads will come back. Sometimes you won't because of the program, but if you keep clicking on other places, the ads will come back in some point. So you can turn it back on and the ads will be blocked now. So every single time you play in YouTube or anything like that, there will be no ads. So the extension working perfectly and I love using it. So I hope this tutorial helped you see that you can block ads. So I hope this video helped. Please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.